Hey there, Bootzone here. I'm back with the Bosch WFP3300 washing machine, and something quite interesting. Inside it, there's the rags, but looking at this, can you see dribble marks coming from the center? It's kind of, see if I can find a bit that's dirty. I've given it a wipe with my finger already. You see, I've probably rubbed it off. There's a bit there. So in here, see that? It's not grease, it's not greasy. What I think it is whenever I cleared the limescale off the spider in the center, the spider that holds the drum to the shaft, there was a lot of limescale and stuff in there, and I agitated it, scraped it a bit to try and get it off. And there's some things hanging over there. See, it's a bit dirty there too. I think whenever it's spinning now, the centrifugal action is throwing the gunk that's in around the spider out. Not sure how to clean that. I wonder if it's a matter of rinsing it but getting it half full, like right up on the door. So what I might do is just fill it up like that, because you can see it there, those dribble marks. They clean off with the finger, but that's getting pushed down when it's spinning. So a quick rinse, maybe a good agitate might do it. I'll put it onto a short wash with these rags in it. Try that. It's very stiff because of the new door seal. Let's turn it on. You can go on the tripod. The old door seal is up on top. I just want a cold wash, really. It's the kind of thing that in time it'll just come out. I'll give it one of these rinse washes and start that. Let it take on some water, and I'll get some more in somehow. Doesn't have that much water in it yet. Turn off the cold line. Unscrew it from the back of the machine. Shoot it in. You can see it coming up the door already. Don't really want to bring it over halfway. It should be enough at that. It should be enough. So we still have 21 minutes to go. I'll just leave that to work away there. We'll come back when it starts to drain out. It's down at 8 minutes and there is quite a bit of stuff actually coming out of there. This bowl was clear, you can see it's mostly spilling over the edge. Rushing out. done in the past is put it like that. Maybe that captures it better than having it straight in and out. But it's coming out quite clear. It's still there at the bottom of the door. It should do an 800 spin now. These last 8 minutes. I think whatever was coming out, that's going to be the end of it. There's some little bits still floating around. See over here. Minutes. I'll come back at the end. You don't need to see it spinning. I'll come back at the end, and the reason I say you don't need to see it spinning is because you can see it in other videos. There's the pump starts charging now. I've put up loads of videos so far. This WFP3300, and I'm sure there will be more. This is just to see if there's going to be residue at the end. So here's the water that's come out of it. There's a few little flakes in the bottom, but really very little. The tumble dryer's making a lot of noise over there. Down here, this machine's beeping, so let's turn that to X, turn that off, press that, pops the door, drain that water in there, pull these out, some gloves and some rags. And is it better? I think ultimately some laundrying in it will fix it. That's where there was damage to the drum that I hammered back down. Yeah, I think that's it. That's just a lot cleaner already. Some stuff on my fingers. Nobody really does this to washing machines to see how clean they are and that. So this is just me being a bit fussy. Right. I think that's a good job. Nice clean new door seal. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.